What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Garage, and there is the Focus. Thank you for tuning in to another week of Garage Talk. So I've got an install coming soon for the Camaro. I finally did do the Ram Rebel reveal. I've got a lot more coming on that, guys, so I apologize for the short video. I just wanted to get it out there as I've been getting backed up. I've got so much stuff going on right now in preparation for winter and a lot of other things. I won't go into a lot of details on that, but also work related, so I've got to go do my job and so forth and so on. But today is another wonderful Garage Talk. So what we're going to do is we're going to load up in the Camaro. I'm going to show you guys hopefully a couple of different photos, maybe some video, maybe neither. I don't know yet. But we're going to load up in the Camaro and let's just do that and go from there. Alright, guys, so I tried to shoot the video with the GoPro, got cut apart because I got stuck behind a loader that had some kind of radar or something in it. My radar detector ended up going off non-stop. But here we are at Echo Lake, which is pretty cool. Nice little pull off. And a couple of things, if you guys didn't see the dive plane video, that thing still looks fantastic on there. Let's see, and if you guys watch the beginning of this, I have the new C7 Carbon Diffuser. So I'll show you guys real quick what that looks like right there. I am working on an install video for that, so that's coming soon to the channel. Now, one of the reasons, the main reason I'm out, is I need to get some new photos of the Camaro. I'm going to be redoing hopefully some of the channel stuff here on the YouTube channel and some of the Facebook stuff. I've got a lot of work ahead of me. I've been super busy with the YouTube stuff, with work, with home, with the kids, and so much more as fall is creeping in pretty hardcore here. We've got snow up on the mountains that surround the Matsu Valley here in Alaska. So that's pretty much what's been going on. Now, as I mentioned, I do have a pretty cool thing going on with the front end of the Camaro. Hopefully you guys will like it. I like it, and you guys will want to stay tuned for that because that's going to be coming out here. I don't know if it's the next video, but maybe the next video. And then I finally got out the Ram Rebel, my new truck, which I'm loving to drive. I've got a lot of stuff planned for that. I'll go into more details on like the air ride suspension, on the Ram box, and on a lot of other things. Now, without having a long and a whole shitload of dialogue, I chose the Ram Rebel simply, as mentioned in that video. If you guys haven't seen it, check that out. Because of the price and because of what all the options that it had. Now, I did look at the new Chevys and I did look at the new Fords and so forth and so on. I'll do a video just on that alone. Meantime, Camaro's doing fantastic. It's been sitting in the garage as the weather, if you can see, it's not too bad today, but it has been pouring rain and it's been super windy. So I haven't been out with the Camaro. I've been just driving the truck, trying to take care of a bunch of things so I don't get too far behind. So let's just wrap it up there, make it a short and sweet Garage Talk today. I do appreciate you guys checking out the Wrenched Out Garage. I've got a lot of really cool stuff planned for it, and if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're getting out with your car, truck, Camaro, motorcycle, Harley, whatever you drive or don't drive, hey, do it safely.